Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 4. We are in week 4 going to be studying time management, which is a massive, massive, massive topic, time management and procrastination. These are two topics that we will work on throughout our entire lives, right? Always trying to get better, always trying to manage time, when really it's almost, a little bit more correct to say time kind of manages us, doesn't it? And we just sort of have to have the strategies and the perseverance and the smarts to sort of stay ahead of the game. But this week, I hope that you're going to really enjoy. We're going to look at a lot of research-based strategies to help us manage our time better, to be more productive. And I'm going to keep it real and say, are we never going to procrastinate again after week 4? Of course not. But we're going to learn how to procrastinate more strategically and more effectively. Okay. And if you're someone who never procrastinates, then oh my gosh, I'm in awe of you. Uh, and that's great for the rest of us who, may procrastinate from time to time. We're going to learn some of the science behind that. And again, how we can be more effective when we procrastinate. So, really, really, really helpful stuff this week. There was a big research study done a few years ago, and one of the number one topics or number one skills that employers across the state of North Carolina want employees to have is good time management skills. So, again, this unit is so aligned. And of course, for those of you who are going to transfer to a 4-year school, oh my gosh, I will never forget my first semester at UNC Chapel Hill when, all of a sudden, I was completely on my own and had to learn this new system to manage my time. So these lessons are going to apply to you no matter what your future path is, no matter what your goals are. Okay. So let's look at this week. This week, I've got some slides for you here, okay? And then, y'all, I've got 4 videos. Now, my videos are kind of long this week. I'm so sorry. Watch as much of them as you can, okay? Because I want you to really get into really, I really discuss a lot of great time management tips. It's not just like make a list, use a calendar. It's a lot deeper than that. And things the ways that you can incorporate your phone, and things like that. So watch those videos. I've got videos number 2, 3, 4, and 5. One video is called Inside the Mind of a Master Procrastinator, which is really, really, really cool. And then why do we procrastinate? So we really get into some helpful tips. And this week, all you're going to do, y'all, is the time management quiz. Now, I know in your syllabus it said you had a time management activity. I'm going to move that actually to next week, week 5. Because I wanted us to really spend some time on these videos if you can and really watch those and then do a great job on the quiz. You've got 3 attempts on this quiz. So really, go for that 100 and then we'll do the activity next week. And by, the beginning of this week, I will have all your grades caught up and all that will be done. And if there's anything you all need, please just reach out to me anytime. Okay. But again, this week, you're just going to download the slides. You're going to watch these videos. In the videos, I go a little bit more in depth than what you have on the slides. But ultimately, they all catch up and sync together. Make sure you watch those videos and then take the quiz. And that's all you're doing for next Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th. Oh my goodness. Well, everybody have a wonderful week. Thank you for being such a great class. And as always, please let me know if there's anything you need.